Hi students, welcome to maths class. So in the previous class we started polygons and some introduction was given. So here I told you one formula, the sum of interior angles of a polygon means it can be regular also. The sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. This is the formula we use for doing one problem. Here I am doing the interior angles of a pentagon are in the ratio 4:5:6:7:5. Find each angle of the pentagon. Find each angle of the pentagon. Look at this question once. So here given pentagon means 5 angles are there. 5 angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentagon looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the interior angles, right? These are the interior angles. I am going to find each interior angle of the pentagon. Okay. For pentagon, how many sides are there for pentagon? N equal to 5, right? So I know the formula here. The sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides is 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. The sum of interior angles of a polygon equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. Now for pentagon, what is the sum of all these 5 angles? So in the place of n, replace 5. 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90 degrees. 10 minus 4, 6 into 9, 6 are 54. So what is the sum of 5 angles of the pentagon? 540. Okay. Suppose if you want to find the sum of interior angles of a triangle, put n value 3. 2 3s are 6 minus 4, 2. 2 into 90, 180. We know that. For quadrilateral, what is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral? Put in the place of n 4. 2 4s are 8 minus 4. 4 into 90, 360. Is that right? Yeah. Now, the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is 540. So 5 angles are there, A, B, C, D, E. So we have well-known method. We have sum of the terms in the ratio. Sum of terms in the ratio is equal to, add them, 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5. So 9, 15, 22, 27. Now you know the well-known method. First angle is equal to, what is the first term here? 4 by total sum 27 into sum of interior angles is 540. You know this method. First term by total sum of the terms into 540. If you want to find second angle, 5 by 27 into 540. If you want to find third, 6 by 27 into 540. 7 by 27 into 540. Fifth angle, 5 by 27 into 540. So easy. 27 twos. 40, 24s are 80. So what is the first angle? 80. If you want to find the second angle, what should you do? What is the second term here? 5 by 27 into 540. So 27 twos. 5 20s are 100. Third angle is equal to, what is the third term here? 6 upon 27 into 540. 120. Right? Fourth angle. What is the fourth term? 7. 7 upon 27 into 540. 720s are 140. Fifth angle. Fifth term 5 by 27 into 27 twos. Therefore, required angles of pentagon are, what are the 5 angles we got here? 80, 100, 120, 140, 100. So 5 angles we got, see there. So one is 80, 100, 120, 140, 100. So sum will be 540 only. Okay. So this is the procedure of finding. Clear? We'll see one more problem. Formula, you remember it. Sum of interior angles of any polygon is 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. N is number of sides. Two angles of a hexagon. Two angles of a hexagon are 120 and 160 degrees. If the remaining 4 angles are, hexagon means number of sides is 6. 2 angles are given. 6 angles will be there. 2 angles are given. If the remaining 4 angles are equal, if the remaining 4 angles are equal, find each equal angle. Find each equal angle. Okay? Let us see. Here, for hexagon, what is the shape of hexagon here? This one. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. So, A, B, C, D, E, F. That is hexagon. Okay? It is not regular. Hexagon is given, not regular. Regular hexagon means all angles are equal. It is not regular. So, just it is a hexagon. In this I got 120 and 160. 2 angles are given. And also remaining 4 angles are equal. I will take X, 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 X. So we should find that X value. Okay. Given 2 angles are 120 and 160. Remaining 4 angles are equal. remaining 4 angles are equal. Let it be x. Okay, we have sum of interior angles of polygon equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. For hexagon, how many sides are there? 6. N equal to 6. So I will find out 2 into 6 minus 4 into 90. So 12 minus 4, 8. 8 into 90 means 720 degrees. So what is the sum of interior angles of this hexagon? 720 degrees. Therefore, add them. X plus, x plus, x plus, x plus 4 angles plus given 120 plus 160. All together will be equal to how much here? 720. Sum of all the 6 angles must be equal to 720. So here 4x plus 280 equal to 720. So linear equation, 720 plus 280, shift that side, minus 280. So 4x equal to 0, 4, 4. Right? 720 minus 280. 0, 12 minus 8, 4, 4, 440, right? So x equal to 440 by 4. So 4 ones, 4 ones. So each equal angle is how much here? 110 degrees. Therefore, each equal angle is 110 degrees. Clear? So we shall continue some more problems in the next class. Thank you.